Please, please. Ang ganda mo, bird.
Okay. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the Philippines is composed of over 7,100 islands. And in those islands, many of the birds that you just saw used to exist. But maybe because in our desire, sa kagustuhan natin to develop the land for progress as we want to call it, nako, karamihan po sa mga natural habitats na kung saan nakatira itong mga ibon na ito, ay nawawala na. But with present climate change scenarios, these birds continue to become our bio-indicators. And today, they will serve as our teachers to tell us the state of Philippine environment today. Ladies and gentlemen, I am Dr. Bo, and I will be your host in this 40-minute nature discovery experience. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our Philippine hawk eagle. No, the Philippine hawk eagle. Now, madalas, ang mga hawk eagles, palagi pong napagkakamalan na sila daw yung ating national bird. Kilala niyo ba yung ating national bird?
Yes.
Sino yung ating national bird? The Philippine eagle. No, di ba the Philippine eagle is our national bird? Now,
Wait,
most
Maya.
often, people, especially if this was looked from a distance, or people say, hey, that's the Philippine eagle, kasi magkahawig sila. No, they look alike. They are predominantly brown, white, a little black, buff feathers. They're the same structure of the beaks, and they both have crest feathers. No, yung balahibo sa tuktok ng ulo nila, ibig sabihin niya, crest feathers. No, sa Philippine eagle, tumatayo, lalo-lalo na pag curious siya. But obviously, this couldn't be a Philippine eagle, no, as many people confused it with, because this is a small bird. You know, this bird is only about 1 kilo. The Philippine eagle is about 5 to 7 kilos. With an 8 feet wingspan, making it one of the largest eagles in the world. But what is very interesting, and I'm sure you noticed it, kasi I was giving the bird a piece of meat. Kasi nga po, lahat ng agila, karne ang kinakain. Kaya nga collectively, ang tawag sa kanila, raptors. No? Raptors are birds who eat the meat of their prey. Although different type of raptor would go for different type of meat. And this is how we would like to introduce them to you. Okay? Ano ba ang kinakain ng mga ibon na ito? And that way, you will understand them more. Okay? Now, a little question and answer. Earlier, as we started the show, there was this big bird who flew in from that very second to here. What do you call that bird? And what does that bird eat?
Fish.
Okay? What's that bird?
Fish.
Anybody? Come on, go.
Iba. Sea eagle.
What do you call this bird? No, it's called a... somebody said an eagle. It's a sea eagle. No? Because it comes in the ocean or stays quite close to the ocean, what does it feed on?
Fish.
Fish, tama. Well, this time, I'd like to introduce you to another eagle.
Serpent.
But this time, ang gusto niyang karne, no, karne pa rin pero karne ng ahas. So, ang serpent eagle. Okay? Alright, now. There you go, though. Here it is. The piece of rubber snake crawling in the garden and boom! Whoa! What a perfect grab! Now, ladies and gentlemen, alam nyo, if ever you get to go and visit our forest, alam nyo, the first eagle who is bound to greet you would be the serpent eagle. Kasi po, ang mga serpent eagles, gusto nilang tumambay doon sa puno ng kahoy sa tabi ng daan. Kasi, when the snake crawls the road, there's no grass to protect it, so it's a little slow. And therefore, it's a perfect opportunity for the serpent eagle to catch its prey. Okay? And very interesting nga lang, is